We are now joined by Corruption Watch's Karim Singh. Karim, your reaction to this news?
Thank you so much for having me on the program. Well, this has been an unfolding story. I was actually on SAFM earlier today on the issue, and the question was put as to whether the Speaker should resign in light of these allegations and the circumstances that she's facing. And we said that she should resign. So it's in that respect, it is an appropriate development. I won't call it a positive development. We have to now see the court process must play itself out, and the Speaker has every right to rely upon the presumption of innocence and try to defend her case, but it's appropriate that she has resigned.
Mm-hmm. In looking at just the resignation letter alone, she does emphasize that, again, it is in no way an admission of guilt. When she resigns, it's just to focus on this particular case, but to also retain the integrity of the House. With all of that, though, in the first letter of her just taking leave of absence, she had stated that for her, what had been happening, which she would consider a trial by media, was something that could even limit her career opportunities here. So for those that might sympathize with her, that here she's possibly been forced by the situation to resign, your take on just those that believe perhaps there has been some sort of pressure and yet she has not per se been charged?
It seems as if, the Speaker was able to buy time in terms of, the court application that she brought to delay being brought up on charges. So, there's every indication that, she would have been charged by now already. So, in terms of those who have sympathy with her, she has all the rights afforded a criminally accused. The state will have to prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. If she believes that they're relying upon suspect evidence or that the case against her is misguided, she'll certainly will have an opportunity to do that. But this is part of the responsibility that comes with having these powerful positions. More often than not, we see people avoiding accountability, people not resigning, not stepping aside. The police and the prosecuting services would not have taken us this far if they didn't believe they had a reasonable case. So this isn't a trial by media. This is now something which will go before the criminal justice system, and the Speaker will be afforded all of the rights, robust rights that criminally accused have in this country.
Mm-hmm. Should the ANC have acted a bit earlier and not left it to her to take the decision to resign?
I think everybody, in this case could have acted earlier. I think nobody's covered themselves in glory, not the party, not the Speaker herself. If the ANC was out in front of the issue and had directed things, then, it could have been a small victory for them to say that they take these types of allegations seriously when they come up against senior people, and the step-aside rule is very much in effect. But, we didn't see that in this case.